Invitation to all humanity. Current energies of Earth. Blessings to all. Your solar logos has been very active in recent days, with energies intensified by divine will. They are intensifying due to the efforts of the dark forces to lower the vibrations of humanity's collective consciousness. However, humanity remains resilient and resistant to everything the Cabal has reached. This has failed. This has led to a widespread awakening on Earth these days. The members of the Alliance are coming together to address current issues as more people awaken. More interstellar beings are joining to help facilitate and witness the great event, which may seem like chaos in various cities of Earth. It is, in fact, a massive awakening in development. The intensified activity of your solar logos is causing a domino effect across all of Gaia. The energies are rising. The multiple flares over the last 48 hours have been very intense, reaching more than 30 Class M flares. These energies increased and amplified last Thursday, August 8th, the Lion's Gate portal. This surge of energy from your star is a direct reaction to the recent actions of the Dark Ones, aiming to influence and reduce the vibratory frequencies of humanity's collective consciousness. The human spirit remains steadfast, refusing to succumb to their manipulative tactics. All this provokes a global change, and increasingly, it grows rapidly that more people awaken. The divine plan, the multiple forces of light within the Great Alliance are uniting to devise strategies to combat the dark plans, such as continuing to amplify and directing the energies of the divine light where they are most needed. This Great Alliance includes you, as lightworkers who diligently work with the light, directing your love daily towards Earth and humanity, to help the improvement of the whole. You are the crew of Earth with each new soul that awakens. The collective energy gains momentum and resonates towards the great change. This period of awakening announces a time of profound transformation, where the light of science pierces through the shadows of ignorance and fear, illuminating a path towards unity, empowerment, and enlightenment. As more people open their eyes to the truth and embrace their freedom, the massive awakening that is unfolding right now is a process carefully orchestrated and guided by the divine will. As this awakening spreads, there is a profound shift in consciousness that leads to a collective understanding of the power of love, compassion, and unity. All are part of the greater whole. We invite humanity to rediscover its innate connection with the divine light emanating from our Creator, and to remember the sacred bond that unites all living beings in a time of transformation, growth, and evolution. The ascension is now, as the waves of light and love from the infinite Creator open. You are embracing a new level of awakening and spiritual connection. This divine energy fills your hearts and souls, illuminating your path and leading you to a sensation of peace and divine purpose. We love you and celebrate your inner light. We are the Galactic Federation of Light. Mission accomplished. I was asked to transcribe this message. Continue enjoying this day. Strong solar hug and blessings. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light serving on Gaia. Voiced by We Are Positive Worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal light and love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you, thank you, thank you.